In this video, we will look at how we can combine Autodesk Civil 3D outputs with AI to make our highway design review faster and smarter. Here we are focusing on ponding analysis for highways, poor drainage conditions such as 0% camber around the set curb can cause waterlogging and skidding of vehicles. So these locations are very important to check. Now we move on to civil trading. On the screen, I have a corridor model which I have applied super elevation at the horizontal curves. Now I am going to export the super elevation data from the alignment, and this will be used in AI for review. Once this is done, I will also export the vertical profile data. So I'm going to export the incremental stationing report at an interval of 1 meter. In this report, we can see the station changes, elevation grades and PVIs. Now let's go to my ChatGPT screen. I already have given it some context about the analysis I'm going to do. Now I am attaching the super elevation file to be analyzed by ChatGPT. After the analysis, it has found all the changes with 0% crossfall and identified them as a critical changes to investigate for ponding. Now I am attaching the profile data so that it can combine both the reports and find the high risk area of ponding. This is analyzing both the reports. After analyzing both the reports, it has come up with changes for high risk ponding areas. Now let's go back to my Civil 3D and verify the results that we have got from ChatGPT. In my alignment, I have two horizontal curves. And if we look into the profile, I have two sag curves, one at the starting of the curve and one at the ending. At the first sag curve, let's take a cross section and see what the camber looks like here. So we can see that the section is in super elevation and it has a good drainage condition. Let's go to the next curve. For the next curve, let's take the section and zoom in into the cross section. We can see this section is a level crown. That is, it is having a 0% crossfall on the right hand side of the pavement. This is the exact change ChatGPT has identified as high-risk ponding areas. We can also cross-verify it with the flat flow arrows, which show that water is being collected over this area. This workflow can save time, improve design checking, and help engineer focus on the location that matters.